Today we have the 2021 Skoda Enyaq. This vehicle has done just over 40,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have assist and our automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our key features, which include our vehicle settings, navigation, smartphone integration and radio. We also have our smart link for Apple and Android CarPlay, assist systems and charging. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior.